How to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to another PayPal account. So first of all, just open your browser and here on the search bar, just search for PayPal, and after that, under the PayPal balance section, you will see these three dots icon. Just click on it, and after that, just go to your money page. And here just scroll down, and there you will see two options. Either you can link your bank account or you can link a card. So if you don't want to link your bank account to PayPal, simply click on link a new card, and here just enter your card details like your card number, your card type. Once your card is linked to your PayPal account, so this is how you will be able to transfer money from your PayPal account to another PayPal account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.